Join me as I tackle my disaster of a car, get it nice and deep cleaned one last time before baby boy arrives. We are going to be cleaning it out, getting lots of sand out of the carpets, vacuuming, wiping everything down, going through the car wash, everything, just giving it a nice good reset. I hope this video gives you tons of motivation, and let's go ahead and get started.
Wrap me up in a sweater, treat my
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
So as you can see by the befores, the car was a complete disaster. It was so messy, and I normally don't keep my car this messy, but we had gone to the beach, and so we had everything in there, and there was like a really big rainstorm, and so we needed to go ahead and get all of the beach stuff out, get it vacuumed. We were kind of just like throwing everything in when it got to be really rainy and like gross when the storm just like hit out of nowhere. So I wanted to get all of the floors vacuumed, and I had actually, before we had even gone to the beach, wanted to clean out my car. I still had like a few odd and end things just in the car, so I wanted to get it all cleaned and vacuumed, so that way when baby's here, that's like one less thing that's kind of out of the way and it's not super messy. And now we can have a nice clean car for when he comes home. It'll be really easy to manage over this next month, and we can add in his car seat. We're going to be doing that in the next little bit because we have less than 4 weeks and he is going to be here. So the first thing that I was doing was emptying everything out. We had garbage. The beach was about almost 3 hours away. It was a couple hours, and so we had like treats and snacks from driving, and then we had all of the beach stuff like I said, so I was taking all of that out. We had chairs, tubes, and then we just had some blankets. I always keep the pack and play in the back of my car, and it usually does end up going to work, and I'm going to be putting it there, like just keeping it there for when baby boy is there working with us. That won't be for quite a while, but I'll probably just bring it over there one of these days when I am working, if I remember. And then we had actually just got back from work on this day, and I was like, the car needs cleaned out. It is so messy. So I had Waverly playing with chalk, and this actually happened over a couple of days because we live on a very busy road now, and trying to find activities for her to keep her like in eyesight was kind of difficult. So I ended up picking it back up another day, and I had to finish wiping things down and vacuuming because that just wasn't doable. And I finished the majority of it while she was napping, and then she was just awake for a little bit of it the second day. But I also from work had our lunch, and then I had like just other random things that I had brought with me, so I needed to get all of that taken out so that way we had a nice clean space, so that way we could wipe everything down. So I started with the back of the car because that's where there was like the most mess wiping things down. So I went ahead and got that all wiped down, and then I just kind of worked my way around the car, just wiping it down. I wanted to get it all wiped down first, and then I could go ahead and vacuum.
'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night, the summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us.
So, like I said, we have less than 4 weeks until this baby's going to be here. I actually have an appointment. You'll be seeing it after my appointment, so I'll know my induction date. Then I don't know if I'll necessarily share it, but I will be setting my induction date, so I'll have a for sure knowing of how far until this baby is going to be here, which is also exciting, but makes me nervous, and it's kind of just overwhelming a little bit because I feel like there's still a million things that I need to do. Because if you are new here, we did move at the beginning of July, so we've been trying to get our house settled, and I want to just get it a little bit more. Actually, you haven't even seen any decorating yet, but I will be sharing that very soon. I just want to get it decorated to at least be like okay if people are coming over. I'm going to be doing lots of seasonal decorating here in September. I decided to hold off on decorating for fall until September this year because I knew I was going to be trying to get things ready for baby, that was just going to be way too much for me. So I will be having lots of decorating as the months go on, and we're going to just be doing little home makeovers, additions, decorations to our space. I got a new duvet and duvet cover for our bed. I need to find some pillows for that. Hopefully I can find those soon. But I feel like I've just been going, and so the last couple of weeks of July, I kind of just like paused and was just trying to like rest, and now I've gotten my energy back. I am in full nesting mode. Like, I want to get everything ready for baby as soon as possible, so that way if he were to come at any moment, we would be prepared, we would be good to go. So I'm going to be having tons and tons of nesting videos coming. I already have one in the works right now that you're going to be seeing soon, and we are just going to be having so many things happening very soon because we have got to get the house in order a little bit more. For the most part, we're like good and it's functioning, but like I said, I want to get a few more pieces decorated. I want to just get all of the baby things put into the house, get kind of used to having it around because Waverly did end up using quite a bit of like the swings and the bassinet, and some things she just instantly thinks is going to be hers, even though she doesn't even remember the bassinet because we put it away before she could even really remember things. But she instantly thinks that like the swing is hers, and she has like a jumper at work that we've just kind of kept there because it was easier just to store it there. She thought that was going to be hers again, and we've had to tell her like, no, that's for baby brother when he gets bigger. So just little things like that. I want her to be a little bit like getting her used to all of the new items that are going to be in the house because we already have a lot of new going on because we moved, but I want her to just really start to get used to everything, especially having like the car seat in the car. So we are going to be getting that in very, very soon, just so that's ready to go. I don't know if we'll put the car seat in until like a little bit later, but for the most part we're gonna have the basin. We're just gonna have things ready to go, and it's making me very excited, but like I said, it's also kind of overwhelming, and also is just making me nervous because I'm gonna have another little baby that is me and my husband's full responsibility, which is literally just so crazy that I'm old enough that I can be having kids. Sometimes it just doesn't even feel real that I'm old enough for all of this, but we are just getting things wiped down. My camera kept overheating on this day because it was very, very hot, and I got like all the way done and I was like, why didn't I just turn on my AC and then my camera wouldn't have been overheating, because I had to keep putting it into the house so it could cool down because it was getting too hot. So there were some things that I just didn't even film because it was just getting to be too crazy and hot, but I should have just turned on the AC for a little bit and it would have been fine. So next time I'll probably do that, and then maybe I wouldn't have been dying sweat the whole time too. I probably would have still, but probably not as much.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. So much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, cause I messed it up and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close.
So I had said that we had like gone to the beach and it had started raining. Well, we had to go on like a different road because when we were driving there was a car accident, and we normally don't really take my car on dirt roads. Granted, we did live on a dirt road in our previous house, but that was different. Like, we weren't driving fast by any means like that. Like, we were going 10 and under down that road, especially because it had a lot of potholes on it. So we normally never take our car on dirt roads like that. We'll take my husband's pickup, but not mine. And so it got super dusty because of that, and it was just like rainy. So it got so nasty, and I had just taken it to one of the touchless car washes, and after I was like, I wasted my money on this car wash. It did not get clean, so my husband's going to hand wash it and get it all nice and new looking. I'm not going to do that because I just cleaning out the car was enough for me. So he'll clean the outside of it, get it all nice and cleaned up, so that way we can have a nice clean car. And we almost had it to where we could park my car in the garage, and then my husband got a new smoker and the boxes are just chilling in there. So we need to get all of the boxes and just a few more things moved out of there, and then I can officially park my car in the garage, which will be really nice to just have the garage to where we can park. It'll make getting 2 little ones into the car a lot easier with this busy area because we have a gate that she can't come out when we go through the garage. So it'll just be a lot better when we kind of get that all figured out.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
I've just been sharing all the afters of how everything turned out. It feels so good to just have the inside of my car all nice and deep cleaned, wiped down, all of the sand out, all of the unnecessary things out. It just is so much better. I usually love to keep a pretty tidied car, but sometimes things get out of hand, especially if you end up going on a trip or whatever. So it just feels so nice that we can get the car seat in and be having the car all ready to go. It's just one less thing that we're having to worry about this month since August is such a busy one. But we are just running through the car wash really quick, and then that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cleaning motivation, mom motivation, nesting, decorating, all of that kind of stuff, I would love to have you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye!
Making plans so fast we go, worried us when no one knows just how we want it. Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our